Welcome to N Curve24. If you are new to my channel, I make videos on personal care, lifestyle and lot of other stuffs. If you are interested, please make sure to subscribe. Today I want to share my review and thoughts on the brand Minimalist. I have been using their products for the past 1.5 months and I think I am eligible to make a review on the products now. So I cannot personally post a review without personally use a product, so that is my policy. So I have used it more than a month, 2 of their products consistently. So I will share the 2 products today, and other products I have been started using, but I will be posting that after maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks. There was few controversies about this brand, but that is all just unnecessary for me. Using same ingredients are just common in every skincare industry and it's not actually copying. What matters to me primarily is how a product works on my skin and the ingredient list. It's not actually copying. Maybe they have sourced the ingredient from same patented company where Ordinary also sources the ingredients, if I understand correctly. So the first thing I will do is to appreciate them for bringing such a formula in an Indian product, and that too at an affordable rate. I respect the venture of the brand. I don't know why is that much an issue in India, but anyway, I am going off topic, so let me come back to this product review. Few highlights about the brand which makes them different from others are: number 1, their products are free from 6 toxins and skin sensitizing agents like fragrance, silicones, parabens, sulfate, essential oils and dyes. So this is like a clean beauty policy, I would say. Number 2, they use aloe vera juice instead of water to ensure more hydration. And we Indians know the power of aloe vera already, no need to explain. Number 3, they are more transparent. All their product mentions from where it has been sourced. Number 4, the pH level. Not most of the Indian product mentions the pH level of a product, so this is a good practice. As a person who is in late 20s, I prefer product with minimum ingredients, so this is good in that level also. I recently started using the niacinamide 5% plus hyaluronic acid 1% serum from October. I have an extremely oily and acne prone skin with extra oily T-zone plus some clogged pore issue. I do get pimples often. I have taken some pictures. So I am not exposed to higher percentage of niacinamide, so I didn't want to jump to the 10% one. So I waited for the 5% one and I bought this one. This is how the packaging looks, and it's a strong carton box, black color, and I like it. It's really a good thick packaging, and I love the glass bottles as well, sustainable container. I do recycle my used cosmetic containers to some extent, like doing some craft or storing something else in that. I do make a lot of DIYs. Ingredient list. So you can see they have aloe vera juice as the first ingredient in almost all their products. And the second thing is niacinamide, and the pH level of this product is 5.5 to 6.5, and the niacinamide PC they have sourced from Royal DSM Netherlands. As you can see, it is so transparent, and I love the motto of the brand, let's talk science. Let's talk science. Niacinamide, which is also called as the vitamin B3, is a star ingredient. Why we call it as a star? It helps in removing pigmentation, helps in brightening the skin. It can help with the open pore, clogged pore, acne, reducing excess sebum, overall keeping the skin healthy, and best starter ingredient for anti-aging routines. So it's like an all-rounder. So niacinamide is the only ingredient with less irritation or no irritation to the skin. So people get very rarely irritated due to niacinamide, and chances are there when some people get purging due to the new ingredient if they haven't used this ingredient before. So I normally get irritation with almost all the active ingredient, but This girl didn't irritate me even for a single day. Not even the first use. Maybe because I used some other product with niacinamide before. I use it right after washing my face when it is little moist, and I will apply a hydrating occlusive moisturizer after this step. So this is to lock the HA in this serum. Whenever you see HA in a serum, you have to use a good moisturizer with it to lock that moisture. Otherwise, the HA will take the moisture from your skin and it will dry out your skin. So always keep in mind, product helped me in reducing the leftover pimple mark effectively, and I can see little reduction in excess sebum on these days, which is very good result according to me, and I didn't expect this to control or regulate the sebum. So it's so difficult to control the excess sebum, and this stuff is really good. It became a staple product in my skincare. I will use it every day. Initially I used morning and night 2 times for the whole month, and currently I have some other product in my night routine, so that also contains niacinamide, so I don't use this at night. So I use this only in morning routine. Overall, this product stands true to its claims. I want to thank Minimalist for making this product available in India. I was about to buy the ordinary, and it's not easily available and also not affordable for many people. So this is actually a needed formulation in an Indian product.